I'm Mary Simpson. I'm the lead physiotherapist at Willow House, Physiotherapy and Personal Training in Billingham. We're the first clinic in Lincolnshire to pioneer the latest Footscan technology and be able to prescribe the fantastic Phits insoles.
We've had our RS Footscan for a few months now and have found it brilliant as part of our musculoskeletal assessment. We're using it for gait analysis, squat correction for strength and conditioning, and monitoring changes after doing physiotherapy techniques, as well as for prescribing Phits insoles. Phits are 3D printed custom orthotics and are prescribed from the data collected from the Footscan, which makes them highly accurate at correcting any abnormalities or asymmetry. Our feedback from clients reflects that the orthotics are very comfortable to wear in as they're completely custom designed. As physiotherapists, we use the Footscan as part of a thorough assessment, including examining joints and soft tissue. The Footscan assessment is quick and easy to perform. The first part involves standing on the foot plate, and this takes a snapshot of how you stand. The balance assessment is useful for monitoring squat patterns, and it gives an indication of how efficiently your core is stabilising you too. Then we do the dynamic movement assessment when you walk over the foot plate. If you're a runner or play sport, we do a running assessment both barefoot and in your current sports or running shoes to monitor how effective these are at correcting any biomechanical inefficiencies. Footscan provides a range of visual analysis screens which allows us to slow down your movement to identify even the smallest asymmetries or abnormalities. We provide you with a copy of your static and dynamic gait reports and explain how your biomechanics are likely to be a root cause of your injuries. If it is indicated, the software allows us to design bespoke orthotics specific to your needs based on real-time dynamic data, providing tailored support and cushioning where you need it most. If you're interested in booking a Footscan or finding out more about how we can help you with an injury, please contact the clinic to book an appointment.